Okay, so we're brewing with the Tri-Conical FermZilla. We're about a week into fermentation, and we just did a completely sealed hop edition with one of their accessories called the hop bong. You can see we have quite a bit of TRUB built up. Sometimes I like to ferment with this open and let that settle down, but I was fermenting under pressure, so I didn't want to do that. Don't really want to bring pressure into these little storage tanks. So we're going to let the pressure off and simply open up and let it all come down. And you'll notice it doesn't all just slide perfectly down. We'll leave this open for a little bit and you'll see the yeast keep dropping in there and keep dropping in there, so that we'll get this thing almost fully filled with yeast, and then we'll take it off and clean it. That's about it.